This 1967 Ford Mustang was left behind for decades, forgotten, rusted, and broken. Buried under dust, with flat tires and shattered glass, it looked like its story was over. But legends don't die, they wait to be reborn. We carefully load the car and bring it to the workshop, where the real trans. Every bolt is removed, every panel is stripped. Years of rust are cleaned away, sparks flying as the body is repaired piece by piece. The frame gets stronger, the soul comes back. Then comes the moment it all changes. Fresh paint, deep matte black, smooth and flawless. The Mustang is rebuilt, engine installed, wheels mounted, every detail perfected. And finally, the heart beats again. Beast Unleashed. Don't miss the next rebuild. Like and subscribe.